SOLIDWORKS 2020 delivers some powerful new productivity enhancements that makes documenting designs even faster. On a drawing, changing the sheet scale is easily accessible from the status bar, but now in 2020, the list of available scales is customizable. This list is controlled by a text file containing preferred scales for each standard. This allows removal of any standards that are not applicable to your industry, and also the ability to add new frequently used scales. Section views are a great way of showing hidden details, especially where holes and fasteners are required. Now in 2020, we can add hole callouts to section views, capturing all the machining details required from these features. We have the same hole callout details to holes that are now not created with either Hole Wizard or Advanced Hole commands. Holes created from either cut extrudes or cut revolves can now have the details added to capture these key dimensions. SOLIDWORKS 2020 introduces a new dimensioning type, the chain dimension. Similar to the baseline dimension, you select the start and continue to add dimensions between items of interest, and SOLIDWORKS chains together a stack of dimensions. An overall dimension can also be added to define the complete stack. If dimensions are deleted from the chain, the other dimensions adjust, including the overall dimension. The chain dimension can convert into a baseline dimension or vice versa. And now both the chain and baseline dimensions can be used in a sketch environment as well as in drawing mode. Alternate position views are a great way to depict the motion of an assembly on a drawing, though previously it was limited to only assembly mode. Now in SOLIDWORKS 2020, alternate position views can be created from part models as well. This is useful if a part was made from another, such as cast machine components like this pump housing, and want to highlight the differences. These drawing enhancements are just a few of the ways that SOLIDWORKS 2020 can improve day-to-day productivity and help document your designs faster.